Hello, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home and also doing your studies well. Children, today we will going to start the exercise of the chapter 12 Natural Disaster. Children, I want you all to do this exercise in your notebook and complete your work. So, let's start the exercise of chapter 12 Natural Disaster. Check points. Write T for true and F for false. First one, floods do not occur in India, and the answer is false. Second one, droughts occur when there is heavy rainfall, and the answer is false. Third point, there are frequent earthquakes in the Himalayan region, and the answer is true. Children, you can check your answers from here. Read and answer. A. Tick the correct answers. First one. In India, floods are common in the, and the options are A. Southern plateaus, B. Northern plains, C. Coastal plains, D. Western desert. And the answer is B. Northern plains. Second, scarcity of food due to failure of crops leads to A. Drought, B. Flood, C. Famine, D. Landslide. And the answer is C. Famine. Third point, during an earthquake, the maximum damage is caused near the, and the options are A. Epicenter, B. Focus, C. School buildings, D. Termor. And the answer is D. Termor. The Richter scale measures the intensity of an, options are A. Cyclone, B. Tsunami, C. Earthquake, D. Flood. And the answer is C. Earthquake. Fifth point, cyclones are always accompanied by, and the options are A. Earthquakes, B. Landslides, C. Forest fires, D. Heavy showers. And the answer is D. Heavy showers. Children, you can check your answers from here. B. Write one word answers. First one, destructive fire in a forest. And the answer is wildfires. Second point, huge sea waves caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. And the answer is tsunami. Third point, rocks and loose soil sliding down a hill slope. And the answer is landslide. Fourth point, funnel shaped storm. And the answer is tornadoes. Fifth point, snow and ice sliding down a mountain slope. And the answer is avalanches. Children, you can check your answers from here. C. Answer these questions. First one, what are the main causes of flood? Write two ways in which floods can be controlled. Question number 2, what is drought? Suggest some measures to prevent droughts. Question number 3, why does an earthquake occur? How is it measured? Question number 4, what are cyclones? Which state in India are prone to cyclones? Question 1, what are the main causes of floods? Write two ways in which floods can be controlled. And the answer is, the main causes of floods is when a river or a stream overflows its banks and the water spreads to the surroundings. The two ways we can prepare for floods in the following ways. First one, listening to the radio or watching television for warning and advice. Second, storing stock of food and fresh water. Question 2, what is drought? Suggest some measures to prevent droughts. And the answer is, drought means no rain for a long period of time. Droughts causes extreme scarcity of water. To prevent droughts, we can do the following. First, grow more trees. Second, develop rainwater harvesting system. Third, grow drought resistant crop such as sorghum, millets and maize. Fourth, spray water directly on the base of plants so that less water is used. Question 3. Why does an earthquake occur? How is it measured? Answer. An earthquake occurs without any warning. It is difficult to predict an earthquake. It is measured on the Richter scale. Question 4. What are cyclones? Which state in India are prone to cyclones? Answer. Cyclones are violent storms. They form over oceans and seas and cause destruction when they reach the shore. Cyclones are always occurred by heavy showers and high speed winds. In India, states which are prone to cyclones are West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Here we ends up with the exercise of chapter 12, Natural Disaster. See you in the next class.